everybody, welcome to Baker Productions, and right now me and Alfred will be showing you what we've been doing to a tractor to make it better. No, I don't know why Dad just took off the bonnet to the tractor, but now it's time to do some real work. Hey Alfred, you watching Paw Patrol? Would you like to help? Would you like to help with the tractor?
I'm sick.
You're sick? We had nothing to say except from that oil change was disgusting, but we're still making progress.
So this is a dipstick, and you put it in here to check how high your oil level is. And there's none in there because we've just drained the disgusting old oil out. But we've got this.
Oh, that looks like nice oil.
It's pretty good. Reach around. See if you can find that nut, son. Is it there?
Hey everybody, we're going to have part 2 out soon. Yeah, it might even go up to part 10, who knows. I'll just say thank you guys. This is my first ever video. I hope I get some support. Thank you very much, and I must thank my brother, my dad, for helping me do everything I've done today. Yeah. See you soon at part 2.